In this video, I'll show you step by step on how Rakuten works. Rakuten is a great way to earn extra cash back on things you're going to buy online anyway, and the best part is that it only takes one extra click and you can earn hundreds of dollars of cash back a year. Rakuten is an online shopping portal, and so what that means is that if you use any of their links here, you'll get that extra cash back when you buy anything on that website. So for example, we have Adidas, Gap, and North Face, and if I click on the Adidas link here, you'll see it'll bring you back to the same exact Adidas website that you normally shop on, and once you make your purchase, you'll see the extra cash back in your Rakuten account. For example, you can see here I bought something on Dell.com that was worth $200, and at that time they had 5% cash back, so that means I got back $10. Right now I have it set up to get it in terms of Amex points, but for any new user you'll get it in terms of cash back, so you should see $10 here. Something I want to make a note of is that when you select any of these links here, you want to make sure that you also click on the terms and exclusions page here, and then you want to scroll down until you see cashback categories. This section will show you how much cashback you should expect depending on what item you buy. So for example, if you buy any CVS branded item, you would get 6% cashback, versus if you buy any other item at CVS, you would get 2% cashback. That's the one thing I don't like about Rakuten, is if you look here, it says up to 6% cashback, so we'll always show the highest category of the cashback amount, so you just want to make sure you go to the terms and exclusions page to confirm how much you would expect to get back. Some of you might be wondering if there's a minimum amount that you need to withdraw your cashback from your Rakuten account. How it works with Rakuten is that they pay out on a quarterly basis, so if you hover over your name here and then click on help, and then click on payment schedule, you can see the exact dates that you'll get paid out. There's a couple of different ways to get paid out in Rakuten, and if you hover over your name and click on account settings, you should see a screen similar to this, and here you can see a couple of different options. You can get paid either through PayPal, getting sent a check, or through Amex points. So if you have an Amex credit card and you add it to your account, you should see this option appear, and that's how you can get paid out in Amex points instead of cash back. I do want to note that you can only switch to Amex points if you're on the computer. If you're on the app, you won't see this option. But for people who just want to get regular cash back, you can just connect your PayPal here, and then you'll be set your payment every quarter. That's pretty much everything you need to know about Rakuten. Again, this is a great way to earn extra points on things you're going to buy anyway. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.